Hello all, welcome to Sudarshan CAD Technologies channel. Today in this tutorial we are going to see how to use the markup in part in SolidWorks. So you can hide and show the markup folders by right clicking the part name, hide and show tree atom and mark to show. Click mark as show, then click OK. You can see the markup folder in the design manager. You can change the color and thickness of the brush, and also you can draw markup over the part. Here I have drawn some corners. You can see, and also you can put the notes. I will write a note as break the corners. Then you can change the font size and select and drag the note to center, and then exit the markup. Now you can see it is placed on the part. You can also see on the markup folder as markup 1. By right clicking you will have some options by markup. You can edit and exit the markup. You can also suppress and unsuppress the markup, and you can reorient and orient it. You can hide and show the markup. You can also export the markup by right clicking export markup. You can export it in various format like bitmap, JPG, PNG and PDF. So click on save. We have exported it into PDF. Here you can see the exported PDF. We can also use this command to draw. I've already created a drawing. I'm going to use the markup feature in this. For that, click markup and draw. Now we will add some note. I will give a note as add flat pattern here. Then you can drag the note using select, OK. Select it and drag it to center and exit the markup. You can also export it in various format. You can also see here markup folder and export markup and PDF. So here you can see the exported PDF. Okay, hope you understood it well. For more details, please visit our official site at Sudarshan CAD Technologies. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you all in the next video.